Salut! Ciao a tutti! Salam! Greetings, beautiful people around the world. My name is Snit Tewoldemedhin, and I am honored to represent my beautiful country, Eritrea. Eritrea, a country known for its magnificent architectural structures, the best cyclists in the world, and a place where Muslims, Christians, and 9 different ethnic groups live in peace and harmony. I am a 24-year-old senior neuroscience student at George Mason University, and I have been in the United States for 4 years this February. As a finalist in Miss Africa USA, I am proud to present my platform, Designing for Diversity, which aims to rethink and renovate the curriculum for special needs to ease learning and make it more entertaining for all children. Currently, I am working as a co-lead guide in a Montessori school and completing Montessori training that constructs pedagogy using data collected from special needs children to make educational toys that are both engaging and academic. Additionally, my neuroscience degree will help me understand the brain of special needs children better and how they react to their environment. This will allow me to proceed to a PhD in human factors to identify the specific challenges these children face and design solutions that address those challenges. I am doing all this because I have a 16-year-old younger sister with Down syndrome. I love her so much, and it hurts me that she hasn't had the type of education that befits her needs despite having the potential and gifts that could benefit her in learning some great skills to carry on an independent life. Education is a universal need, and I believe that we all deserve access to quality education. While many things have drastically changed and improved in the past few decades, education hasn't made that same drastic change. It was sitting behind the desks and chairs decades ago, and it's still the same till now. I want to make a change to that. My strategy is to focus primarily on special needs, because whatever works for them works best for all of us. Helping them will help us, although I am already on the way to making this vision a reality. Crowning me as Miss Africa USA will help me gain the support and resources to speed it up. Special needs education is a common issue in Africa and the world, and giving me the title of Miss Africa USA will help me unite us all in one vision. Together, we can make a change and create a better future for our children. Thank you for listening and considering me for the title of Miss Africa USA.